U.S. President Trump said on the 14th that there was a 25% chance his meeting with Russian President Vladimir Putin in Alaska on the 15th would fail. U.S. Producer Price Index rose to 3.3% in July, exceeding expectations for a 2.5% increase and marking the largest monthly increase since June 2022. Following the release of the data, traders reduced their bets on the September interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve. Data released by the FedWatch tool on the afternoon of the 14th indicated that the probability of a 25 basis point rate cut at the Federal Reserve's September monetary policy meeting fell slightly from 94.3% the previous day to 92.6%, while the probability of maintaining interest rates rose from 0 the previous trading day to 7.4%. 2. On August 14th, New York time, as the market digested the significantly higher than expected U.S. Producer Price Index for July, the three major New York Stock Index closed lower, consolidated weakly in the morning, and narrowed their losses in the afternoon. At the close of trading, the three major New York stock indexes were mixed, with the S&P 500 hitting another record high. By the close of trading that day, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 11.01 points, or 0.02%, to 44,911.26. The S&P 500 rose 1.996 points, or 0.03%, or 0.01%, to 6,468.54. And the Nasdaq Composite fell 2.47 points, or 0.01%, to 21,710.67. Among sectors, the industrials and material sectors led the decline, with declines of 0.88%, respectively, while the financials and healthcare sectors led the gains, with gains of 0.55%. 3. On August 14th, U.S. President Trump stated that U.S. inflation has fallen to a perfect level, with virtually no inflation. Since heaven, demand for gold has cooled. Spot gold prices fell to a two-week low of $3,333 per ounce. The U.S. Producer Price Index surged 3.3% year-on-year, exceeding expectations. The combined pressure from the U.S. dollar and U.S. Treasury bonds triggered a sell-off.